Guest to my right, Prosecutor Michael Sepe. To my left, you go. I know that Michael Sepe has a question, and then I'm going to thank you for all of your time. Michael?
Steve, I'm curious. You had mentioned a pamphlet earlier for teachers giving some sorts of guidelines. I'm wondering if there are similar guidelines for administrators or investigators in the Broward school system, giving them lists of signs of things to look for instances where a relationship between a student and a teacher might be getting into an inappropriate area.
With me, Prosecutor Michael Sepe, Defense Attorney Roger, Beth Karras. First, I have a prosecutor who has a question for you. This is Michael Sepe.
Detective, I'm wondering if your experience you would find any common threads among the victims of these type of crimes. For example, a viewer had sent in a letter earlier suggesting that, and I guess I'm asking you is, do you find that a lot of these victims of crimes come from pseudo-dysfunctional families or are troubled kids and are therefore more susceptible to being victimized in this way?
Part of my job is I take a lot of...
This is Michael Sepe. Michael, how do you get the jury to follow the law? If they follow the law, in all probability, they would convict her. But at the same time, there's a lot of reasons they may not. No, can I try this? I get paid to talk. They may not want to follow the law.
Well, the facts make it easier in this case. What we don't have here is some sort of classic romance that is only illegal but for the ages of the two people, with allegations of drug use, of very detailed different sexual acts, of a very improper relationship. It makes it a lot easier for the prosecutor, I would think, in that sense. And secondly, that's a classic question that's asked in voir dire or jury selection, in screening out jurors in their ability and getting their assurance that they will follow the judge's instructions on the law despite their personal feelings.
And on the other hand, Roger Dodd, Michael Sepe, if you're prosecuting this case, obviously you look at this youngster and you would say, why would he make this up, right?
Exactly. Is there a motive for him to lie in supporting the prosecution's case? And to pick up on something Roger had said on whether or not he's high, well, first, this is not the type of thing that you mistake for something else. It's not a hand-to-hand drug sale. It's not a passing comment that gets misinterpreted. He either saw it or he didn't. And secondly, the thought comes to mind, what is he doing in the backseat with this teacher high? And is there other drug use going on in the car? And what's that situation about?
Right. More